Welcome to ChemSquare. DeBale DRDO Apprentice 2026-27. Post name Graduate Apprenticeship. DeBale means it is Defense Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory, that is a lab under DRDO. So this lab is in Bangalore. Total posters 28 posters. So here the subject, educational qualification and number of vacancies. Mechanical engineering 7 vacancies, electronics and electronics instrumentation 6 vacancies, computer science or information technology 3 vacancies, chemical engineering or chemistry 4 vacancies, biomedical engineering 4 vacancies, textile engineering 1, library science 1, physics 1, accounts 1. Total vacancies 28. Then the eligibility: no experience greater than 1 year, no previous apprenticeship, pass outs of 2022, 23, 24, 25 and 26 can apply. Stipend is 12,300 per month. Then application through NATS portal, ID is here. Last date 20th May 2026 and the joining date 1st July 2026. The selection process: merit basis, that is graduation pass percentage. Based on graduation pass percentage, interview if needed. Notes: duration 1 year. After 1 year, no job guarantee, no TADA. Okay, thank you.